Let's reach a little deeper into the pile, get something near the bottom, near the compost level, and here is an interesting lock with kind of a weird pedigree. This is a Duralock. It is a 5-pinner, as you see. It's not bad. The pedigree is that I bought this in Guatemala at Keyworks, and there's the pinning. And I bought it in Guatemala from a roadside fruit vendor, believe it or not. I just was buying some fruit and happened to look down and saw some door hardware, and then lying there in the pile was this not so bad looking lock. It's used, but barely, with all the keys. So I thought, hey, Duralock, I've never heard of that. So I picked it up for like $2, which means I probably overpaid by about $1.50. But here we go. I'm going to move to stage 3 right away on this one. The internals, I've lubricated them with Teflon. It's still pretty rough machining. It does have security pins, but it's really hard to get it to fault set using the pick. I think it's probably a combination of 2 or more pins that have to go up. But anyway, when you rake it, you get, as you see, fairly quickly. Once we've got that, which is usually the hard part, it usually takes about 25 or 30 strokes with that fake Bogota. But we got lucky here. So let's see if we can start pulling, find the pin. And it looks like pin 2. So as I said, they are security pins, which kind of was surprising. And I probably just lost, oh my goodness. There we go, piece of cake. Alright, just for fun, let's just try to pick it, since this happened much faster than I had anticipated. See if I can pick it to fault set. Like I said, it's not easy to get it. Okay, I'm going to go pin by pin and just see what we can come up with. Oop. Probably going to ruin the whole video. As I said, it's just not going to, it doesn't want to cooperate with us. It just, in the interest of saving time, it's easier to find those 2 pins using the rake. And there we go, we got it again. So this time I set a different one. This time I'm on pin 1. Okay. So it's there we go. And I had to punch in pin number 5. So a slightly different story, slightly different, but the ending is the same. We're open. It's not a bad little lock, but for $2, but I wouldn't pay a lot more for that. And if you see a Duralock, I can't in good conscience recommend you buy one for your training box. Anyway, thank you for your time. Everybody stay safe and stay legal.